Hello, my name is Marnie Old, the Boisset sommelier, and we're going to visit the Buena Vista Winery today to talk about one of their most famous wines, the Count. Now, of course, we all know that the Count, Agustin Harasthi, the founder of Buena Vista Winery, is the personage to whom this wine is dedicated, and of course, the famous face that graces its label. He was a tremendously complex and interesting man, a Renaissance man who had so many skills to bring to the table when he founded what is now California's oldest commercial winery. But what he is best known for, even recognized by the state of California as the father of California wine, was for bringing a wide variety of European fine wine grapes to California as a way to improve the wines of this region in the 1860s and 70s. And at that time, he brought back grapes not just from the famous regions of France like Burgundy, Bordeaux, and Champagne, but from all over Europe after traveling for a year to collect those vine cuttings. So it's only suitable that we have a blended red wine under the name the Count, and one that represents such a wide swath of European terrain in terms of the heritage of its vines. The primary grape variety is Zinfandel, which originally comes from the Croatia region on the Adriatic, but it is accented with a wide range of other grapes: Carignan from the south of France, Tempranillo from northern Spain, Cinsault from Provence, and a whole range of others as well, often in very, very small amounts. Those grapes are individually fermented and then blended together to create something whose flavors together are more exciting than they are individually, a wine of richness, of sensuality, passion, and grace, and one that has a richly fruited dark blackberry flavor. Delicious. Enjoy.